Ladies and gentlemen, this is Tomato TV Rwanda. Welcome to the channel of possibilities. Good and well. Welcome to the program Beyond Home Cooking. My name is Ejide, the original content creator in the hospitality industry, online, also in the field. You can get all my contents. And today as well, I am in the cuisine again, and the recipe of the day, let's make a chicken burger. Did you like a burger? Would you like a side dish of the burger? Go on the comment below, tell us the side dishes you like, so they can make your. For us, we're gonna make the salad, green salad, and the French fries, so we can serve it together with our chicken burger. Yeah, as I told you, the mise en place. What I'm doing now is a mise en place. I'm cutting chicken into big pieces. After that, they could make us removing bones and then cut into small pieces. So after cutting the chicken into small pieces, I'm chopping. I will be chopping until they get small pieces. I will add the chopped vegetables like celery, garlic, onions, and all correct seasoning to the chicken. After that, I would deep fry the chicken into a lot of oil, and then after getting oil, I make the how can you call it? I make a cocktail sauce, and while I'm making the chicken, there is a side dishes I have to give our side dish of today is a French fries and a green salad. This now vegetables. Chopping the vegetables to mix with the chicken, and after that we prepare the side dish, chips and the salad, and I think that's all. So let's have a look on video step by step, so we can see how I can make a chicken burger in very, very simple way. Remember, the hotel, it's not a good place to go. You can make it at your home. If you did subscribe on our YouTube channel, no longer you don't need no longer to be in a hotel, because the hotel too much money, everything very expensive. This black paper or white paper, whatever you have. Put the correct seasoning. This is Maggi masala. If you have another sea salt, you can use. This is now blended garlic. Yeah. Maybe I can add egg. Yeah. An egg. Yes, put the egg. Yes, but for you, if you are not professional, you can use a mixing bowl. We will do it with it because we are professional. We know we do this like too many times. So we can add breadcrumbs to make my mixture to be thick. So it help you. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can put flour. If you don't have flour, you're gonna put maizena or like corn flour, whatever you have in your kitchen to help you to your mixture to be thick. Mix well until all ingredients combined. Yes, you can use mixing bowls, because maybe if you are not professional, if you are the beginner in cooking, But remember, cooking is very good, very good. It's not the people, they think only the female can cook, but no, there is no job they deserve the one gender or one say no, never ever do that. Nowadays, I think now the males are dominant in the hospitality industry. You can find male in the cuisine, male in the reception, gentlemen in the service, gentlemen's. No, cooking is for everyone. So it's some people we do as a hobby. That's nice. It's now time for shaping. If you have the shape, the tools to use the shaping, you can use it a small balls or burger shaper. There's something we use for burger shaper. If you have it at home, it will be great. You can use it. So, but we can use your finger to make round like this. Don't make a heavy one. So now put on the oil and use a gentle heat. Yes. I change now. After like 2 minutes. Change. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now start smearing. Oh, very delicious, amazing. I'm very, very, very excited to test. Around 5 minutes, looks how it looks. Look at the side. Oh my God. It looks golden brown. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Very, very good. And smells nice. Smells nice. Okay, now we start preparing side dishes. Our salad. We're gonna serve our burger with the salad and French fries. Our fresh green salad we composed by cucumber, lettuce, tomato, avocado, onions, red onions, and the dressing will be the vinaigrette sauce. Cut all our ingredients together, mix. Now it's time to make cocktail sauce. You know how to make cocktail sauce? Just 1 spoon of mayonnaise, 1 spoon of ketchup, and mix. That's it. That's now we have cocktail sauce. I'm gonna use cocktail sauce to put on the bread. Oh my God, my bread looks good, but no problem. No problem. But if you have a bread, please don't put a lot, because when you're from the market with a lot of stuff, it's coming like this. We are not these breads. We are not making homemade. But next video, maybe you can see how to make a bread. No problem. So, but without forget to tell you, before put cocktail sauce on the bread, you need to make your bread, like the surface of bread, like dry. You can put you can heat the pan, then you put the bread, like 2 minutes to make it dry. So the cocktail sauce does not penetrate easily on the bread. So now let's make layers. Cocktail sauce, and then you put a chicken, put tomato, onions, lettuce, then we make a slice of cheese. After slice of cheese, we make another layers of tomato, onions, and lettuce, and then now we have burger. We have our chicken burger. And take another part of bread, and put there. And then if we have skewers, put it on the so that to can avoid the damage or separate of the burger, so can hold the burger. So now it's time to prepare side dish, which is a French fries or chips. Okay, but remember, use the quality potatoes, the one we used for cooking chips, not the one we cook for just mashed potatoes. I don't, little bit difference. Okay, almost done. Our side dish is almost done. Now we're gonna be on the last step for dressing, seasoning, and garnishing our recipe. Now I'm gonna seasoning my salad. Now this is olive oil. I put salt, Maggi, salt, and it's rated. You don't use the cutting board to mix the ingredient. You can use mixing bars if you are not rush. Now put this. Now we're gonna make a fresh green salad. I put tomatoes to increase the color, so the colorful salad will be it really looks nice. Okay. Now put avocado. By the way, but when you make salad, please, you can wear the gloves, because salad, it is one of hazardous food. You can contaminate it easily. So you need to wear gloves and really pay attention when you are making salad, because salad it's really dangerous to when you are not aware of it. I told you, like, don't eat salad from the restaurant you are not believe. If the restaurant is not good, it's not good standard, don't eat salad, because salad is very dangerous. It's very dangerous, contamination, has a lot of food poisoning, because some chefs, they don't know how to prepare the salad. When you prepare salad, fish, dairy product, you need to be aware of hazard. Don't eat salad when you are not sure the restaurant is high standard of hygiene. So now we are making the vinaigrette sauce. We are chopping the parsley, onions, and then we add vinegar, we add mayonnaise, and then mix together to make our vinaigrette sauce. And olive oil, don't forget to put olive oil on our vinaigrette sauce. Okay. Now our dressing's done. Now we put on our salad. Remember, don't make salad without dressing. Every salad has dressing, because a dressing is the main part of the salad. So now seasoning. You can put you can add white pepper if you like. Now put on over the salad. It looks really nice. Okay. I put our burger. Leave the space for the French fries. Don't worry about the bread. It's not good quality, but it really looks delicious. And I know it's delicious. The bread is loses the shape because it comes in a lot of things, a lot of stuff, but it looks nice. So now here we have our chicken burger. Oh my god, look how it looks nice. And let's enjoy. Thank you so much to for the one who together to cook with the chicken burger, and I really appreciate for you if you make subscribe on my channel, and if not yet, please do it today. Don't wait tomorrow, because tomorrow will be a race tomorrow. I really thank you so much to your support. I really like if I have a community show me what I'm good doing is great. So you support me. That's I really thank you so much.